What if I told you could read this shorthand in a few minutes? Yes, you heard that right. In the next few minutes, you will be able to look at these outlines and actually understand them on your own. Right now, it may look confusing, like random curves and strokes, but by the end of this session, it will start to make real sense. Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th session of Learning Gregg Shorthand. In this session, we are going to bring everything together. All the concepts we have learned so far, consonants, vowels, diphthongs, blended consonants, word forms, phrasing and punctuation. We are going to put them into action. Today's focus is on a sentence drill. This is where shorthand truly begins to feel meaningful. Until now, you have been learning individual outlines and rules, but in this session, you will start seeing how everything connects in real writing. We'll go step by step and understand how word forms, phrasing, and punctuation work together in actual sentences. And by the end of this session, you won't just be looking at shorthand, you will be reading it. So let's begin. How is the sentence written? First of all, this is like this. Sentence by sentence, we'll go sentence by sentence. Okay, and then here we have this. Now let's first understand what this first sentence is. This is basically what? This is small o and then this k character. So this is he and this is can. So what we have done here, we have joined them together. So this is he, can. Now this has two meanings. Either it's good or this is go. Right? As per the context of the sentence, we'll see which one to choose from these two. Now, what is this? If you remember, in th, we had this th and this th. This th is always the, and this one is what? There or there. So this has two meanings over here. So don't confuse this with and or and. So don't confuse it with that right now. We have this can either be in, this can be in, this can be not. Then we have a or an, and then we have are, our. Okay. Then we have this period. This is full stop. This is full stop. Punctuation mark. Okay, you remember this? So if we go as per the context of this sentence, what would it be? He can. This would be he can. Then it's go. This can be good, right? He can good. No, he can go. He can go. Then we have this. He can go there. This can't be there, right? He can go there. Then we have this one. Either it's in or not. So he can go there, not, no. He can go there in. He can go there in. Then we have a and an. So he can go there in. This can either be a or an. Let's see what follows and then we'll choose pick from these two. Then we have this what is this? So here this can only mean our, right? Our. So before that we had left two words to pick from. So obviously this is an. So now what do we have? He can go there in an hour, right? So this makes sense now. Next sentence we have, what do we have here? Next sentence we have like this. Then we have this. Then we have this. This is again one sentence, okay? Then we have this. We have this outline, and then we have this one, and this one, and this one, and then we have this period. Okay, what is this now? As I told you in earlier sessions, this is I, right? So this is always I. Then what is this? This is either will or well. I will, no, I will. Then we have in or not. I will in, no, I will not. Because this is what? This is N, and N consonant, it has two word forms, either N, in or not. So as per the context of the sentence, this can be I will not. Okay, this part is done. I will not. Now we have this I will not. This can either be go, this can also be good, either go or good. I will not good, no, I will not go. Okay, then there's a punctuation mark, there's the period, full stop. Now what is this? This can be at or it. So let's assume this is it. Okay, what is this? This is D. Up to here, this is D. What does D mean? D means would. It would. What is this one? This is again N. It can either be in or not. So here, it would in, no, it would not, yes, it would not. What is this again? It would not good. Either it can be good, it can be go. It would not good, no, it would not go. It would not go. What is this? This is either will or well. It would not go well. Then we have in or not. It would not go well. It would not go well in. In what? Then we have this one. This is either THERE there or THEIR there. So it would not go well in there. There. Okay. Then we have this punctuation mark. Okay. This one is solved. This one is decoded. Now let's decode this like this, and we have again this one, and we have this, and then I have this punctuation mark. This is note of interrogation, question mark is this, right? Okay, let's decode this now. What is this? This is always he, and then will or well. He will, no, he will. What is this? Again, like this one, not. He will not. What is this again? Either good or go. Which one to choose from these two? Go, obviously. He will not go. He will not go. What is this? This is either there, THERE there, or THEIR. So he will not go there. Then what do we have? It's either will or well. Okay, so what should we choose from will or well? Obviously will. Then we have this small, if you remember this, what is this? This small o, this is he. Then we have question mark. This is question mark. So what's the sentence? He will not go there. Will he? Okay, now this makes sense. Going forward, what do we have? We have this, and we have this. Then we have punctuation mark, that's period, and we have like this, this thing, and we have this, and then this is period again. So let's decode this again. If you remember, I told you this has two meanings. Either it, this is T, right? It's either it or at. Okay, now we'll see what follows. What follows this particular word. Then we have, this is D. If you remember, I told you this is D. If you write it from here, if you write it from here, this is D. And if you write it from TH from here, this can either mean there or there, right? So this one is they. So this can be it, the, this can be at the. So here, as per the context, at the. What is this? This can be our, or R, A-R-E. At the hour. What does that mean? At this point of time, at the hour. What is this? This is I. Then we have this one. This is am. This is am, right? I am. Then we have this one. This can be good. This can be go. But we have this dot over here. Whenever you see a dot after any consonant, at the end of any consonant, that doesn't mean a or an. That means ing. What is the meaning of this dot at the end of any consonant? Ing. So this can be go-ing or this can be good-ing. Obviously, there is no word like that. So this is going. I am going. This is gay character. That means go or good. So here it's go. Then we have ing. Go-ing. Then we have a full stop. Now what is this? This can be good or this can be go. So here this is good. Then we have a comma. Then this is again I. This is will. This can be will or well. So I will, not I will. I will go. I will go. Then we have this one. This can either mean there, THRE there, or THEIR there. So I will go there. So now we have decoded this. I'll read it again. At the hour, I am going, then period, good, comma, I will go there. Okay. So next up we have like this, then small o, then this dash, then this outline and punctuation mark, and we have this thing and this thing, then again punctuation mark. Okay, from the punctuation mark you should be able to understand that this is not an affirmative sentence. This is the question mark, so that means this would always be a question. Okay, here again this is question mark, so that means this is a question, not an affirmative sentence. So this is not a period. Okay, now if this is a question, questions always in English they always start with can, will, shall, how, when. So here this is either will or well. So this is more likely to start with will. Then what is this? This small o, this is he. Then we have in or not. Will he not? Then what is this? Go. Will he not go? Question mark. Okay, what is this thing? This is either are, our, or our. Are. What is this? There. What is this M? More, if you remember from previous session. Are there more? Then what is this? Either not or in. Are there more in? What is this? There. Then again question mark. So this is the sentence drill that I have extracted from the book, and so that you can understand these things very well and repeat. This was a refresher session. That's all for this session. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you very much.